So in the last video we have this, and let me delete it. And then so now we want to how to create backgrounds. There are several kinds of background. We can have a busy background and we can have a plain background. A busy background has images, has probably some kind of text, or it's very busy. And then a plain background is not so busy, it's just normal. So you can have different backgrounds, and I'm going to be creating a plain background, but not that plain. And most times you download your backgrounds. Let's create two kinds of background in this video: a busy background and then a plain background. Let me go to my Google Chrome. Let me type patterns. So there's patterns. It comes out with a lot of patterns. And go to images, and then you see different patterns that you can use as backgrounds. Depends on how you know how to use your patterns, but let's choose this one. Let's choose this one. As it is now, it's an iStock images. If you download it in iStock form, you have to pay, or we don't want to do so. Just do copy image, and then Ctrl V, paste the image. It's pasted it. If you can see, this is the background. We press Ctrl T to transform it, to enlarge it, and then enlarge it by the size, as I told you here, checked. Whether images or text, that's how to enlarge it. As you can see, it's losing quality as well. Then that's because we didn't download high quality ones. So, but the way I want to create my background, I really don't need quality, so I just created OK. Now if I want to use this background like this, I can use it, but what I want to create is just to have a pattern at the background and then reduce the brightness of this pattern. So you can either use opacity. See, as I'm using opacity, the brightness is reduced, like I put it in 14%, or I can use fill and opacity does the same thing. So but I prefer fill because it does it uniformly. So let's say I put this in 20%. This is a background, and then I can pick my text tool. I've taught you how to use text tool, and then let's write acceleration, and then I come to my text tool because it's white, so I want to change it to, let's say, blue. Okay, no, I didn't select it, so you select all the text and then you change it to blue, and then these are checked. You uncheck it, uncheck it, and then uncheck this. I have acceleration. I'm still using my Poppins font, so I have acceleration. Let me now put the subtext. Let's write no speed limit. Now I want you to take this text, and then I taught you how to format text. I want you to reduce the size. I want you to turn it all to capital letter. I want you to reduce the size very well, turn it to capital letter, and then come to this -50. I want you to make it very long, not that too long, but maybe 530, and then put it here, and then I want you to change the color of this no speed limit. Use a black and then do this. So you have a background, a plain background, you have acceleration, no speed limit, and then let's do another one. Let's write a text. Let's write coming soon. So you can see that there is a tracking. Maybe you reduce it a little bit. It's called tracking. That space, this space, you increase the tracking, you reduce the tracking, but I want the tracking should be so increased. I'm already entering 1000 if you check here, and then I pick my pick tool so that I can be able to drag it, and I put it down here. Coming soon. Let me reduce it a bit again to like 10. And let me put it here. Good. So I want you to reproduce this. Put a very plain background, a pattern, reduce the opacity, put acceleration, no speed limit, coming soon, and send it to me.